Fastest way to create short videos for TikTok using Crayo AI. Hey guys, and welcome in this video. I'll show you step by step the fastest way to create short video for TikTok using Crayo AI tutorial. Crayo AI is a powerful tool designed to help users create engaging short videos quickly and efficiently. Whether you are new to video creation or looking to streamline your process, Crayo AI offers a user-friendly platform perfect for creating content for TikTok and other social media platforms. This tutorial will guide you through the basics of using Crayo AI to create short videos, ensuring you can start producing high quality content in no time. So why we use Crayo AI? Ease of use, we have Crayo AI's intuitive interface makes it accessible for beginners. Speed, we have quickly generate videos without extensive editing knowledge. Quality, we have produced professional looking videos that capture attention. Efficiency, we have save time, automated features, and smart templates. So to understand, first step you need to do is open your web browser first and dive into Creo.ai. As you can see, this is the website. Here we have the fastest way to generate your short videos, create unlimited short videos at once, generation captions, effects, background, and the music for you. Here we have the homepage. It looks like that. I have homepage here, my project, my uploads, video editor, generate story video, generate voice over video, generate text to image video, all script generator. This how look it looks like that, as you can see. Then we have from idea to short video in seconds. We have here the same thing, create unlimited short video on us, auto generate captions, effects, background, and music for you. Here we have 3 steps. It's very important to know it. First step, we have writing outline. Start with writing scripts using a prompt or using template suggestions. Here first we have, you select your story topic, clockwork detective, garden of whispers, journey to a fire, select then story tone, funny, mystery, horror. Then you select your max words you want. We have here 2000, 3000, 4000. Then we have customers and style, select background, video, voice, and music from free templates. You select your font style, the quick brown fox over, select story background. We have William, Henry, Jason, we have male, we have female. You can choose the one you want. Then we have finish and export. You choose export format and download generated video script and or narration. Then we have other information, all-in-one tool for generating viral shots using AI. We have here the same thing, create a limited short video at once, auto-generate captions, effects, backgrounds, and music for you. First we have automate video in seconds, auto-generate captions, effects, backgrounds, and music for you, auto-subtitle, automatic AI subtitles, generator, AI scripts generator. Start with writing script using a prompt or using template suggestion. You can select the one you want, generate outline, generate description, generate. Here we have this auto subtitle. As you can see, the first one we have manual editing, create script, popular music, background video, AI image generation, voice narrator, multi-platform videos. As you can see, then we have background videos, select custom backgrounds from templates. As you can see, there's various here background videos. You can select the one you want. Then we have multi-purpose videos, create videos for different platforms like YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. As you can see, we have also AI image generation, create AI image with your prompt, bring your ideas. You can select the one you want. Here we have peers in different situation, as you can see. Also, we have a video editor, edit your videos with full-fledged AI-powered video editor and take your videos to the next level, as you can see. Also, we have video filters, edit your videos and apply tons of filters. And finally, we have EA voice narrator. Bring your stories to life using our powerful AI voice narrator. You can choose male, female. We have here William, Jason, Hannah. Then we have ultimate tool for social media growth. Chris, elements. You have the same thing here. Have Instagram Reels, TikTok videos, fastless content. Reddit stories, YouTube shorts, Instagram reels. For Instagram reels, we have turn Instagram reels into exciting content by adding gameplay to keep viewers entertained. TikTok videos, you have used AI to make money from the CBB program by creating entertaining content using Crayo. Facilities content, we have create a video using just a script and create captivating content. Reddit stories, we have use AI to take a Reddit story and turn it into an AI generated video. YouTube shorts, we have create YouTube shorts using AI voiceover scripts generation to help you make content. Instagram reels, we have use AI creators on Crayo to make content for your reader than using your own face. Here we have our customer, we have Daniel, we have other commenters like Daniel, Said, Mo, Alem, Arif, Musa. You can read it to know more information. So as you can see, let's know the price. Here we have pricing plans. We have 3 plans. We pay monthly, yearly. You can pay as you want. Here we have 3 plan. We have Essential plan, Clipper plan, Pro plan. Essential plan, we have 90 for each month. Includes we have 20 AI videos, 25 scripts, 30 minutes of voiceover. We have also 100 AI images. Clipper plan, we have 39 for each month. Includes we have 50 AI videos, 100 scripts, 60 minutes of voiceover, and 250 AI images. We have also Pro plan, we have 79 for each month. Includes we have 125 AI videos, unlimited scripts, 120 minutes of voiceover, 500 AI images. For yearly, we have Essential plan $160 for each year, Clipper plan $327 for each year, Pro plan we have 664 for each year, not month. As you can see, let's get started right now. To sign up, I will show you how to sign up. Here we have the home page, Crayo. We have here a lot of things. Dashboard, we have Crayo editor, my project, my exports, my assets. You can see it. We have split video, story video, text video, blur video, ChatGPT video, voiceover video. Tools, we have AI images, AI voiceover, AI avatars, AI brainstorm, YouTube dollar, TikTok dollar. More, we have affiliates, Discord. Then we have generate story video, create an AI generated story, generate AI text to image video, generate voiceover. Popular apps, we have split screen video, fake text video, AI avatar. Then we have voiceover story, dollar YouTube video. Then you sign in. You write your name, your email, then you sign up and you pay. Also, you can use Google to sign up. So Crayo AI is an excellent tool for beginners looking to create short, impactful videos for TikTok. By following this tutorial, you will be well on your way to producing professional quality content quickly and efficiently. So happy creating. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.